Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change date and time on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. In order to do this, you have to right-click the date time icon in the top right corner of your device's display, then select Adjust Date and Time. And now we want to set the time manually, therefore we have to switch off the Set Time Automatically feature, and then click Change next to Set Date and Time Manually. And now you can expand both of these lists, the date list or the time list, and select the values that are proper for you. To apply changes, click Change. However, I highly recommend only using this feature if your automatic date and time are incorrect, because if you set the date time values to incorrect ones, you will make many online services like, for example, Google, unavailable for you, because these sites, websites need your time and date to be correct for your time zone. And that's basically how you do it. If you want to return to the automatic time change set, just switch this toggle to the right, and that's it. You can also synchronize the time by clicking Sync Now option right here. Usually it takes some time though, I don't know why. And you can also change the time zone right here by expanding this list and selecting a different value, a different time zone. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.